So the guys have arrived to start cutting down trees. I know you can't see him. He's kind of over there. There's one of them, and the other guy's moving his truck around. But they're getting ready to bring down a tree. Kind of awesome. He's moving. Moving the truck. So we're gonna sit here and watch for a second. I didn't realize they'd already dropped the first tree by the time I ran in to get the phone. Alright, I'll come back in a second when they're bringing down the next one. Sweet. Yeah. Yeah, watch that dead tree. So this is the area where we started taking trees down day one. It's a pile of dirt there. And if you look kind of on that side, right in the middle, you can almost see where it kind of depresses in. That's where the tree fell, created a dip, and that's where it smashed the first hornet's nest. It's living in that dirt mound. They swarmed. Everybody who got out in time came out and was all pissed off. That's why the guys kind of had to stop here and work in a couple other areas to let the mound calm down. The hard part is they don't know and I don't know if it actually killed the nest or if it just kind of like sideswiped it. So yeah, you can see we've got stuff out here to clear up and clean up. They were able to tie the trees to like their truck and drive it down here on the driveway portion and do the actual cutting. But we've not cleaned it up just because, yeah, you know, who wants to mess with a hornet? Nobody. So the smaller pieces like this, though, are up to me. And I'm going to end up cutting those down and use them as kindling for the burn pit because they're the perfect size. And that way I don't have to use good pieces of wood on, you know, when I'm burning garden debris or whatever. So that's going to be a job for me, and I'm okay with that. And then leaf piles like this is stuff I'll just throw in the pit and burn. Mostly because by the time I'm done, I will have way too many leaves to be trying to just do compost with leaves. And then yeah, same thing with these. Too small for the fireplace, but great kindling, you know, and great for the burn pit. So yeah, again, wood like this, they've already left it. Some of it because they couldn't get cut, or because it's, you know, punky rotten like that piece is. You know, same thing. Great for kindling, great for the burn pit. Yay me, I have work to do. All right, so hopefully the guys will be back again today. We have lots of trees, so walking around counting them roughly, I've got 23 trees just off the top of my head that I know I'm gonna have them cut down. Most of them are dead, some of them are alive and have really bad leans to them, you know. Otherwise, Y'all have a great day.